So in this video, we'll learn about vector integration. Vector integration. What is the vector integration? So vector integration, let f of f vector is equal to x, y, and z. Be a vector function. Be a vector function. Okay. So before write a vector function, I want to draw a curve. Let's say from this point is named O, and this is x. Okay, and P, this is a point. Curve P is a point. Okay, I'm drawing from O to P, connecting O to P. Okay, and this is a curve of, let's say, A and B, and the angle, this is A component and this is T component. Okay, and A component. Okay, and the point is named, this is P. So okay, so let f of x, y, z be a vector and vector function and a curve হচ্ছে AB, vector function and a curve of AB. Clear it is? After that, line integral of a vector function f along the curve AB is defined as integral component of f. Integral component of f, defined as integral component of f along the tangent to the curve of f, along the curve of AB. Okay, so along the curve of AB, this is connecting as a vector component. Okay, and the component of f component, so and the f component along the tangent, along the tangent along the tangent what PT. Okay, PT at point P point, at P point. Okay, this is the ultimate tangent of P point. Okay, so dot product of f and a unit vector along PT, what will be? So dot product of f and unit vector will be f dot dr divided by ds. F vector dr vector is equal to dr divided by d of s is the unit vector tangent pt. Okay, and so the line integral, so line integral what will be? The line integral will be summation of f vector dot dr divided by ds vector. Okay, from a to b along the curve, from a to b along the curve. ঠিক আছে, from a to b along the curve. So line integral so line integral curve, closed curve of c f dot dr divided by ds. What is the f vector? So f represented at this point. Okay, from this to this, and this point is represented f, and okay, and del r by del s represented that the unit vector along the tangent of pt. This is the unit vector, p of t. So del r by del s represent that the unit vector. Okay, so that's the thing. And now come to the point, line integral, it is clear. Okay, so how you will write line integral? So line integral, you will write that closed integral of c closed curve of f vector dot on dr vector. So will be the line integral. So this will be the line integral. Okay, clear it is. And note one thing, that note if f represent the variable force acting on a particle along AB, okay, then the total work done will be what? Will be integration of AB f dot dr vector. So this will be the total integration. Okay, this will be the work done. Clear it is. And after that complete of work done, circulation, what will be the circulation? So what will be the circulation? So circulation, if V represent, okay, V represent the velocity of liquid, okay, V represent the velocity of liquid, then closed curve of C V dot dr. Okay, V vector is the circulation of V, is called circulation of V, is called circulation of V, is called around the closed curve C, around the closed curve C. So V is the called circulation of C around the closed curve of Dhur. This type of technical issue will be happen. Wait. So after that, diagram views become increased. Okay. So circulation of closed curve. So V represent the velocity of light with the dr of circulation of ARC. Okay. So this will be the of the V of then V is said to be this is the round of the closed curve key. B is the round the closed curve, round the closed curve. Okay, so round the closed curve is V basically represented itself, and that's the main topic. Okay, now after that when the path integration a closed curve 3 number point path integration to a closed curve, um, then notation of integration is notation of the integration is what? Notation of the integration is place of in the place of so let's say I'm going to solve another problem. There is the given a force question. Okay, so a force F is equal to 2x square y I cap plus 3xy j cap displace a particle in the xy plane. Displace a particle in the xy plane. Okay, from 0 to 0. From 0 to 0 to 0 0.02 1.4 along a curve y is equal to 4x square. Find the work done. Then find the work done. Find the work done. So what will be the ultimate answer? There is a given that f is equal to 2x square y I cap plus 3y 3xy j cap. Okay, is given. So the work done represent what? Closed integration curve of C f dot dr vector. Okay, so it will be represent that f is 2x square y I cap plus 3xy j. Okay, this is represent f, and dr of d of x I cap plus d of y j cap, where r vector represent of x of I cap plus y of j cap. Okay, so del of r is equal to basically del of x I cap plus del of y j cap. That's the thing. So the work done will be this kind of things will be the work done, and after that the putting values of y and del y, we get that integration of 0 to 1 2x square y into 2x square y into no, sorry, 2x square y value represented that 4 of x square dx plus 3x into 4x square, ঠিক আছে, 4x square, হ্যাঁ, into 8x dx. This is the represented that, and after that the result will come out what? So y is equal to 4x square, so dy is equal to 8x, okay, 8x and dx also. So 104 integration of 0 to 1 x to the power 4 of dx, it will be represented 104 x to the power 5 divided by 5 is equal to 104 divided by 5. So this will be the answer, okay, answer. Let break the equation 0 to 1 on this equation break, so it will be, first of it will be 8 x to the power 4 dx plus 12 96 x to the power 4 dx. So it will be around 0 of 104 x to the power 4 of dx. So after that you can get that integration of 104 comes out, integration 0 to 1 x to the power 4 of dx, and after that here the applying formula x to the power n. So integration of x to the power n of dx formula is x to the power n plus 1 divided by x n plus 1. So same formula will be applied here. So 104 integration of 0 to 1 x to the power 4 of dx, it will be the around the 104 x to the power 5 divided by 5, 0 to 1. So it will be 104 divided by 5 will be the ultimate answer. Clear it is? Now the second question, question number 2. Question number 2 said that closed integration of C মানে f dot dr, okay, where f is equal to x square I plus xy j cap, and C is the boundary, the boundary of the square of the plane z, of the square of the plane z, okay. This is the boundary square of the plane of z, and the value of z is 0, and bounded by the lines x is equal to 0, comma the y is equal to 0, and x is equal to a, and y is equal to a. So this is the thing. So answer will be what will be the ultimate answer? So answer will be that closed integration of C f dot dr. It will be a round of closed integration of OA f dot dr plus closed integration of AB. Let's say so I'm drawing here that this is point O, this is point A, and this point is giving, this point is C. So this point is giving name C, and this point is giving A. This is Y. So and after that, so from f to dr is equal to, first I am taking that OA, it means is, and then AB. Sorry, this point will be B, and AB f dot dr, then integration of BC f dot dr vector. Okay, f dot dr vector. So here you can see that R vector basically represented two component, meaning x of I component, y of j component. Okay, and so for dr it will be represent of del of x of I, del of y of j. So f represented that x square I plus of xy j, which is already this is given, this is given. Okay, this is given. Okay, and this is given, and after that, so as per f dot dr, what it will be, it will be let's say so dr will be definitely, f dot dr will be x square of dx, x square of dx, or on y is equal to 0, on y is equal to 0, when y is equal to 0 point, then it will be given that x square f dot dr is equal to 0. So integration of OA f dot dr, it will be what's come out, it will be come out integration 0 to a x square dx. So it will be x to the power 3 divided by 3 into 0 to a. So it will be a q divided by 3. So this will be the, let's say this is giving equation number A, and also giving the equation number, this equation is giving number of 1, first equation, this is second equation. So 1 becomes, and when AB, on the AB for AB, AB, then x is equal to a, x represent what, a, x represented here, you can see that x represent of a. So when x represent a, then del of x is equal to 0. তাহলে f dot or dr of r is equal to a dy, ay dy. x is equal to a, clear, it is ay dy. So integration of ab f dot dr is equal to 0 to a ay dy is equal to a into y square by 2, 0 to a cube by 2. On BC, what will be, BC y is equal to a, and then dy is equal to 0. One becomes what, f dot dr f vector dot dr is equal to represent that x square of x square of dx. Here it is. So for x square of dx, when a is equal to 1, so integration y is equal to a, and so integration will be what? So here you can see that integration will be a to 0 x square of dx is equal to basically x cube by 3 and a to 0, so it will be minus of a cube divided by 3. This will be the equation number 4. No brother, this will be a cube of 2. This is equation number 3. Okay, and after that for CO, okay, CO what represented that? For CO CO and f dot dr is equal to 0. So f dot d of r basically represent that 0. It becomes 0 when integration of CO f dot dr is equal to 0. So on the adding of equation, after that adding of equation 2 3 4 and 5, what it comes, integration cross integration C f dot dr is equal to a cube by 3 plus of a cube by 2 minus of a cube by 3 plus of 0. So it will be ultimate result will be a cube by 2. This will be the ultimate result. Clear, it is a cube by 2. So closed integration of C f dot dr, it will be represented of a cube by 2. A cube by 2, it will be the ultimate result. Okay, clear it is. Let's say there is a given vector, okay. Another questions, and there is a let's say a vector field, okay. A vector field is given by f is equal to 2y plus 3 I cap plus x z j cap plus y z minus of x into k cap. Evaluate f closed integration of C f dot dr along the path is C, along the path is C is x. Okay, so x is equal to 2t represented, where y is equal to represent t and z is equal to represent tq. From t is equal to 0, from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1. So solution, what it will be? So the question asks, there is a given vector field and vector field is data 2y plus of 3, okay, 3 into I cap plus x z into j cap plus y z of x into k cap, okay, into k cap. So this is the given the things, okay, where after that evaluate this is the given, where let's say closed integration of closed curve. So what it will be? So integration of closed curve, let's say f dot dr. So f dot dr will be what? F dot dr represented that closed curve of C 2y plus of 3 into dx plus x and z plus of xz dy. Okay, and after that plus of yz minus of x into dz. So this will be the ultimate thing, and after that যেহেতু since is given, so since x is equal to 2t, where del of x divided by del of t is equal to 2. Okay, and when y is equal to t, the questions y is equal to t, it represented that del y by del t is equal to 1, and when z is equal to t to the power q, so it will be represented del z by del t is equal to 2t square, sorry 3t square. It represented that. So as per the integration, as per the integration 0 to 1 2t plus of 3 into 2 dt plus হচ্ছে 2t t to the power q মানে of dt plus of t to the power 4 minus of 2t into t square dt. Basically here I write the value of y z মানে x y and z. So del x value here you can see del x value is equal to basically what it will be. It will be that del x is equal to 2 into dt, simple. So I'm writing that x value here. This is del x value. Okay, same to same, this del x value I am writing here, you can see it, and this del y value here you can see that del of y will be what, del of y will be same t dt. So dt right here, you can see it clearly. So after the solving integration 0 to 1, it will come out. So so I have to multiply, so that 2t plus 2t it will be 4t, 2 plus 2 it will be 4t plus of 6. Okay, plus of 2t to the power 4. Okay, plus of 3t to the power 6, 3t to the power 6 minus of 6t to the power q and whole covered with dt. Clear it is. And after that what it will be, the result will come. So the result will be, let's say, so for that let's say I'm breaking one by one. So for this will be 4 into t square by 2 plus 6t. Okay, so after integration 6 will be 0 to 1. After integration 6 will be 6t 0 to 1 plus 2 into t to the power 5 by 5 into 0 to 1 plus 3 into t to the power 7 by 7 0 to 1 minus 6 into t to the power 4 by 4 into 0 to 1. Sorry, it will be 0 to 1. Okay, and after that after that the value will come out that this is 2, it's cancel out 2 into 1, so it will be 1, and after that this will be t, so 6 plus of t 1 by 5, so it will be 2 by 5, and from here you can see that 3 by 7 minus, you can get 6 by 4, so 6 by 4, so 6 by 4 will be cancelled out by 3 by 2. Okay, so after that the ultimate fraction will be 2 plus of 6 plus of 2 by 5 plus of plus of 3 by 7 minus of 3 by 2, so it will be comes out so it's come out, what it will come out, let's say around 7.3. This will be the ultimate fraction answer. Okay, chalo, let's do that with a good and consciously. So 8 plus 2 by 5 plus of 3 by 7 minus of 3 by 2, so 3 7 and 2, what will be the so it will be multiply of 21 into 2, so 2 4 42. Okay, so after that 8 plus of 42 divided by this is 5. Okay, this is 5, so it will be around 70. So 28 plus 10 13 minus 8 plus of 7 8 56 560 plus 8, yeah. So it will be comes around 11 11 3 3 আর 5 3 আর 6 9 আর 10 0 1 6 0 1 minus হচ্ছে 38 divided by 70. So after that 5 3 so 563 divided by 70, so 7 8 56 and 8 will be a round answer. Okay, 8 point something will be come answer. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, এক্সাম্পল নাম্বার হচ্ছে 4 example of 4 is said that there is the given of a vector is equal to 2y I cap, ঠিক আছে, minus j cap plus x of k cap. Evaluate integration of c f cross of dr. Okay, this is along the curve along the curve you have to evaluate, okay, where x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t, and z is equal to 2 cos t. So from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to pi by 2. So this is the thing. So here given that evaluate, I have to evaluate that integration of closed curve f cross of d of r. Okay. So f to dr basically represent of I, j, and k, del y del x, del y del y, del y del z. Okay. And also it represented that 2y minus of z of x. So these two things are representing. Okay, so after that I'm going to look the connectivity. So the suggestions of okay, no matter, it happened approx 43 minutes. Okay, let's say 43 minutes it's happened. So after that what it will be, the ultimate result will come. Let's say this is sorry before little mistake. So after that it will be del of x by del of y minus plus হচ্ছে del of z by del of z is equal to 1 into I cap minus del of x by del of x minus del of divided by del z plus del of minus of z by del x minus del of 2y del of y. So before reached that solution or equation, let's say r is equal to x of I, j, and z of k. So del of r will be what? Represent del of r represent of del of xi, j, del of z k. So after that f dot of dr vector. Okay, so it will be represented that I, j, and k. So I, j, k, it will be 2y minus of z, x, del x, del y, del z. So after that it will represented that z d of x minus x d of y minus of 2y dz minus of x dx to j cap plus 2y dy plus of z dx into k cap. Okay, so the ultimate answer will be minus of 2 cos t minus 2 sin t dt minus of cos t dt, okay, into I cap. And after that minus of 2 sin t t dt minus of cos t minus of sin t dt plus of 2 sin t cos t dt plus of 2 cos t minus of sin t dt into k. So it will be around 4 cos t sin t minus হচ্ছে cos square t into I cap plus হচ্ছে 4 sin square t minus হচ্ছে cos t আর sin t j cap into dt, okay. And after that it will be around integration of c closed f dot of dr, okay. It will be integration of 0 to pi by 2 4 cos of cos t sin t minus of cos square t to I cap plus 4 sin square t minus হচ্ছে cos t sin t j cap to dt, okay. So after that the result will be uh, integration of 0 to pi by 2 2 sin t sin 2t minus হচ্ছে cos of 2t plus of 1 divided by 2 into I cap dt plus of integration 0 to 1 0 to pi by 2 2 into 1 minus cos 2t 1 by 2 sin 2t integration of j cap and dt, okay. And after that the result will be that minus of cos 2t minus of 1 by 4 sin t 2t, ঠিক আছে, minus of half t 0 to half by 2 I cap plus 2t minus of sin 2t plus of 1 by 4 cos 2t. So it will be around 0 to pi by 2 into j cap. Then what will be the ultimate result? So ultimate result will be minus of cos pi, okay, minus of 1 by 4 sin pi minus 1 by 2 pi by 2 plus of cos of 0 degree plus 1 by 4 sin 0 and plus 1 by 2 into 0 into I cap. So pi minus of sin of pi plus 1 by 4 cos pi minus 0 plus sin of 0 minus 1 by 4 cos 0. This will be j. So after that it will be 1 minus of 0 minus of pi by 4 plus of 1 plus of 0. I kept so pi minus of 0 minus of 1 by 4 plus of 0 minus of 1 by 4. So it will be around 2 minus of pi by 4 I kept plus pi minus 1 by 2 to z kept. This will be the answer.